to Motorcycling with Carl. Getting out, just taking a tiny little ride today to get something called gasoline. I got my light on here. I usually don't store my bike over the winter with an empty tank. I must have forgot to fill it up, or I think I went out for a ride. Must have used most of it. So I'm gonna go get a fill up. On my way, I'm gonna tell you some of the stuff going on, some pretty cool stuff. Oh, it feels great to be out, but man, it's a little cold. It's like 45 degrees, but I'm only going a couple miles. I wonder what the price of gas is for the premium. Probably 4 something, if not 5, but we'll find out. Feels good to get out. Hey, puppy dog. A lot of sand over here. Look at that. Be careful. All right, here we go. So today, I'm actually planning on cleaning my bike up. Gotta polish it up a little bit, and being that I'm an electrician, I finally decided to put heat in my garage, so I got that done. I probably should have did it in the fall, but I didn't think about it till just recently when I want to go out there and it's still a little chilly. So like today, I got the heat on in there now, warming the garage up. I'll go back, I'll polish my bike, I'll clean it all up. That's gonna be awesome. And then the big news is, this might be the last vlog you see from my GoPro Hero 8. I have made a purchase. I bought a Insta360 X5 with a ton of accessories. I spent about, between the camera and the accessories, it was about $1,000. So my next video is probably gonna be the unboxing of the new camera. The one thing I'm worried about is it's gonna be a whole nother editing experience for me, a lot different from the GoPro that I've been doing now, but I'm willing to learn. I bought a ton of stuff. Everybody, you got to let me know which angles you like the best after we make a couple videos, and we'll figure out what's the best way to shoot some of the stuff. I want to do high quality videos. Also got some stuff I want to install. And the other funny thing was, I know I showed you guys the cool puzzle I bought that I was very interested in putting in my garage, and I was doing the border and I went through the pieces multiple times, and my wife went through the pieces multiple times, and it was missing a piece of the border. So for a puzzle that complicated, to spend the time to do it, if it's missing pieces, would suck. So I'm gonna see what I could do with that. Man, riding, it's awesome. You forget how much you miss it till you actually get on the bike. When I get back to my garage, I'll put the camera on my stick and I'll show you the heater and stuff I put in the garage. Pretty cool. It's nice now. Dolly's calm. She comes out there, hangs out with me while I work. And we're also my neighbor isn't feeling so great with her back, so we've been helping her out, taking care of her golden retriever here and there. So she's over a lot. So maybe in one of my videos you'll get to see these two. They're between Dolly and the golden retriever. It's chaos, but they're both super lovable dogs. So what's everybody else been up to? Anybody out on their bikes up in the Northeast yet? I know I got this nice Harley jacket. In the summer I hardly wear it, but on these cold days, this jacket's the best. See what happens this year. I was reading in the news that Connecticut wants to start cracking down on cars with illegal exhaust and loud noise with a $1,000 fine. I don't know if they're going to include cracking down on motorcycles with that. Hope not. Otherwise I'll be paying $1,000 a lot, because I am not changing the pipes on my bike. The only thing I didn't do that I probably should have didn't even think about it. I hopped on the bike and left. I always check my air pressures. I know I checked the air pressures on the bike a few weeks ago, so it can't be too terrible. But that's something that actually, you know, I tend to notice when I ride. If my air pressures aren't right, the bike just doesn't ride the same. But right now it feels good. Man, this jacket is awesome. I got jeans on and my legs feel a little cool. But where this jacket is, this thing just breaks all the wind. Not cold at all. I miss YouTube. I had just so much crap going on that it's like, But it's good to be back. I'm very excited to have that new camera and the unboxing coming up. I'll have to show you all the setups I'm putting on the bike. It's going to be all different possibilities. Alright, so I'm going to go in this gas station and we're gonna see what premium is up to. Whoa, 464 here in Connecticut. So that kind of sucks. All right, guys, I'll be back when we're back in the garage. I'll show you the heater. All right, so we're here back in my garage. Got the bike back in here. It's behind me there. Yeah, so I want to show you guys the heater I put in here. Let's see. So I put in an 8,500 watt heater. Had to kind of finagle it in there so it's away from that light fixture, but I was able to hang it up, snake the wire down in the wall down to my basement. My panel's only a few feet. It's within 45 feet, and the wire that I had to use for that 40 feet of wire was almost $200, so things right now are very expensive. Right, Dolly? Hey, Dolly, sit. Sit. What a good girl. No, sit. Stay. Stay. I want you to say hi to everybody. Oh, as you can see, the stay is not a command that she listens to very well. But she's a great dog. Look at the bike. Very dirty. Got to get it all cleaned up here. I am seriously looking forward to doing the unboxing on that camera and getting that hooked up. We are going to have some great videos. I really want to get back to doing everything I was doing before. I love my channel. Here's my 91 Yamaha. Just sitting there, getting ready to ride too. I really still think at some point I'm going to take this back apart and I'm going to send my carburetors out to be rebuilt. And I'm debating whether or not I'm going to do new pistons and rings and see. Because the bike runs, it runs good. It just doesn't have really good top end. I think it's missing something. I really think it's the carbs, but we'll see. Got a lot of fun stuff coming up. Right, Dolly? Don't burn your nose on the pipes. They're probably still hot. Oh, you don't want to burn your nose. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. Oh, Dolly. All right. So, until next time, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.